freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now.
My name is Gokasia. I'm from Laos. I'm 21 years old.
As we lose our inhibition, celebration, it surrounds us.
I'm studying at University of Health Sciences. I learn English because I would like to study abroad and I would like to make friends around the world. For me, listening is the hardest skill. My friends study here and they talk a lot about BIC, that the teachers are friendly and welcoming, and it's safe, it's safe atmosphere.
Give you freedom, give you fire, give you reason, take you higher.
First thing is, it is free, and the teacher is very friendly. And the last one is the cost terms and days are convenient.
Every nation all around us, sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun.
No matter what level English you are, you can come and join BIC. I'm 21 years old. I'm a student and learned at BIC.